Hey guys, it's Kim and I have a cleaning video for you today. I have about an hour and a half while my girls are sleeping. My oldest daughter usually does not nap anymore, but she is not feeling well, so she willingly went down for a nap. So I'm gonna try to get everything done on my list in about an hour and a half. My goal for this hour and a half is to unload the dishwasher and put away any dishes that are in the house, pick up everything. There's just stuff everywhere. So pick up everything that's out of place in the house and clean the upstairs bathroom. I don't think I've shown you guys my upstairs bathroom, so I'll take you along with me to clean that. I'd like to sweep and mop the floors downstairs, as well as clean out the refrigerator. I'm not sure I'll get to that one, but it's on my list. If I can get to it, I would be very pleased because my refrigerator is disgusting. I did film a pantry clean out, which I just did, and I will put that up. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's get cleaning.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the...
When I have a set amount of time that I need to get all my cleaning done, I like to start in the messiest areas, the areas that are going to have the biggest impact and are going to affect me the rest of the day. So if I did not clean this kitchen up and put the dishes away, it would just continue to pile up, and when dinner time would come around, it would be a big problem. So if nothing else got done, at least these dishes got put away and my kitchen would be straightened up.
You're never here when I'm in pain. You hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the...
Has anyone else been baking a lot more during this quarantine time? I'm usually not the person to bake a lot, but it just gives me and my kids something to do during the day. And we try to bake like healthy muffins or, something that they're excited about but still is semi-healthy. So if you have any favorite recipes that fit the bill that kids are excited about but are still semi-healthy, leave them down below. I'd love to hear your favorite recipes.
Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
have a 5-year-old who will be starting kindergarten next year, as well as a 2.5-year-old who will be starting preschool next year. But we, during this quarantine time, have been doing homeschool preschooling. I did do a little bit of that with my oldest daughter on the days that she didn't go to preschool, but we've been, doing it every day now that we're home all the time. And it really, really helps to have just a schedule and activities planned out just to keep the day going. If I didn't have like this homeschooling curriculum that I use, I think I would go crazy throughout the day. Like, it really gives us structure enough that we just have things, at least a couple activities planned for the day. And then it still leaves plenty of time for just play. But it just keeps us going, at least have a little bit of a schedule. We got this kitchen for my girls for Christmas this last year, and we absolutely love it. I'll link it below if you're interested. The reason we like it so much is because it stores all of the play food. Just makes it look so much cleaner in this area and put together. Before, we had like little baskets next to the play kitchen that we had, and it would just look so cluttered. And this play area is right in a major living area for us. It's our kitchen, our dining room, and our play area are all in one big room. So we try to make it look as nice as we can, despite there being toys everywhere. And these are just some flowers my kids picked on a walk we went on. We're going to tape them into their nature notebook and write about them. Now I'm just showing you the floors. I need to move on to finish picking up the rest of the house, but these floors need to get done eventually. We went gluten-free a while ago, and these bags just have unopened containers of things that have gluten in them. This little corner in my garage is where I put all the things I need to donate. Right now we are on to the bathroom. This is my daughter's bathroom. It's the bathroom upstairs, and I am just gonna give it a good cleaning. I have a cleaning schedule that I try to clean each major area once a week. So Mondays are assigned to the downstairs bathroom, Tuesdays are the master bedroom and living room, Wednesdays are the upstairs bedroom, Thursdays are the girls' bedroom and the office, and then Fridays are mopping the floors. So I try to hit every area once a week. I know that some people probably clean more than that, but for me, this is just what works. And having a set day has really, really helped me not miss some of the areas like this bathroom that would definitely go more than 1 week if I didn't have it on a schedule. Well, I didn't get the mopping done or the refrigerator, and I have a load of laundry to fold that I forgot about. But I got a lot done in this hour and a half. There is always tomorrow, so hopefully I can work on that list and get everything I wanted done tomorrow. In the comments below, let me know something that you have on your list that you keep putting off. And for me, it's definitely that refrigerator. I want to let you know I recorded this in February and it is now April 6th and I still have not gotten to that refrigerator. So let me know what is the one thing on your list that you keep putting off. All right, well, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you've made it this far, please consider hitting that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps out at small channels like myself so much, and I hope you're all doing well. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next video.